So I placed an order with Yarnspirations on December 31st, and it's finally here. And it's, well, massive. So Yarnspirations was having a crazy sale at the end of last year, which still feels weird to say, at the end of December. No better. Okay, so they were having a massive sale, and yarn was like 40% off, free shipping after like so much. And I don't feel like I went crazy, but this box would indicate otherwise. I did also get like a mystery pack, so maybe it's a really good mystery pack, and that's why it's so big. I don't know. I honestly cannot remember because it's been like 3 weeks, right? So let's dive right in and see what's inside. Do you want to? Because I do. I also finally got a order from Joann's that I had placed before then, actually, and I'll show it at the very end. It's a very small little order, but it also took forever long. So first things first, let's dive into this box. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm hoping that there is an invoice inside a packing slip because then I can tell you the prices. Otherwise, I have to look it up in my email, which I don't want to do. Whoa. Okay. There's like a box within the box. So I guess my initial thought was right. That's why it's so big. I'm assuming that is the mystery box. Yep. Mystery. I love that it's its own little box. So let's share what I did order, but I was not a mystery first. You see if I lucked out, and there is a slip. There's not. Hold on. Okay, I got it. It took me a little bit because the email confirmation, all it said was the original prices, which is not helpful. And I had to actually go to the website, look up the account. Anyway, I got it. So first things first is the comfort yarn from Red Heart. I like that they bag them almost all kind of individually, so that way that they're safe. I thought this color was pretty, melon berry. These are normally $10. I got them for $6 each. Red Heart, this was 649 yards, 593 meters, medium 4 weight, 5.5 millimeter hook, and 100% acrylic, no shock. And again, Red Heart, is it the softest? No, even this Red Heart Comfort, it's like a step above it, but it's not the most comfortable. But I thought that would be a really pretty blanket, so I got 2 of those. And then to kind of offset it, I got it in purple as well, because you can kind of see that it pulls that little pretty purple in there. So I figured that would be good. And now the solids of the comfort are 867 yards and 792 meters. 4 weight again, all the same other stats. But I thought, yeah, it's kind of a nice little offset. And that'll be pretty. I love putting variegateds and having like a pop of color. That's like one of my favorite things to do. So that'll be great. And I also got 5 of these guys. Now these are nothing special. Oh, yeah, no, I said the first one was. These are nothing special. They're just Super Saver, just your regular Super Saver. Actually, they kind of feel a little bit more comfortable than the Comfort. Oh, they totally are. Yeah, this is softer than this, which I don't get what the Comfort part is because this is whatever. 236 yards, 215 meters, 100% acrylic, 5.5 millimeter, just your basic Red Heart. But I loved the color. This is Lapis. I got 5 of them because I figured I could get a good blanket out of that. They were on sale for $3. So, you know, 15 bucks for 5. That's not bad at all. And they are normally $5. So you can always find them on sale though. I don't know somebody, unless, you know, you're out of the country, which then it makes sense. You'll probably pay a little bit more. But here in the States, you can usually find a good sale or at Walmart or something like that. I honestly don't know if I've seen this color before, and that's why I gravitated towards it. Really pretty shades of blue in there. So another good blanket coming up. 15 total. I don't know why I said 15. And then I've heard so many good things about the Susan bait hooks. Now, okay, let's try this again. I started on like the metal hooks. I think most people did. And I'm definitely more of an ergonomic person now. The regular metal just hurts my hand. But I've heard people speak good about the Susan Bates soft ergonomic hooks, and I have not tried these. So I got a 5.5, and I figured, let's see how it works out. This was also on sale, normally $4. I got it for $2.40, and I did see on the website right now it's on sale for $2, so you can actually get it cheaper. But you can never have too many hooks, and I have most of the hooks okay, let's try this again. Words are hard, guys. Most of the excess hooks I have, so the ones that I have like the same size multiple hooks, are 5.5, 6 millimeter hooks, because, you know, all the yarn, at least here in the US, we get a lot of the 4 medium weight, and that's the hook sizes we use. And so when I have projects scattered everywhere, these hooks tend to go missing quite frequently. So I keep good track of like my nice hooks, and I take them out if I'm gonna like, what's the word? Oh my gosh, I forgot the term. But put a project in timeout, basically. Then I will take the good hooks out. But I like to have a lot of like cheaper hooks thrown around, so that way, like, if I don't go back to that project for a while, as evidenced by my whip video, most of them still had hooks in them because of the cheaper hooks. And so it wasn't a big deal that, you know, they were left there. Anyway, that's a long story just to go over, hey, I bought a hook. I'm excited to see how this holds up to some of my other favorite ones. And then the last, not mystery item, I've not seen this color in the stores. I've seen this everywhere. Like, I've seen it at Walmart, I've seen it at Joann, but I have not seen this color. This is the Bitty Stripes, and this is Rainbow Mist. I am not a pastel girly, and I'm not normally a rainbow person. They're just not what speaks to me. However, I loved this. It is so pretty. All of the pastels, and I love how there's like that white running through it. And I thought this would be a fabulous baby blanket. I did buy 2 of them. And so these are 515 yards, 471 meters. This is a, let's see, 5.5 millimeter, and I'm guessing 100% acrylic because they always are. Yes, 100% acrylic. But anyway, I thought those colors were pretty. Since buying this, I've seen some other colors that I have not seen on at Walmart or at Joann or anything like that. Creative Grandma just did a video showing a couple of these colors, and now I'm like, oh no, I need to go get them. And the only place I've been able to see those colors is on Yarnspirations. And as of today, which is January 20th, oh my gosh, they are having a sale. So I might have to go on and grab a few. I have a yarn buying habit. But I held out my January yarn ban until January 13th when Joann had a sale I couldn't pass up. So I feel very proud of myself. And I did laugh that I bought this December 31st. So I was like, I'm not buying yarn in January. But I held out for almost 2 weeks in January, which I feel like is really good. All right, now let's jump into the mystery. Oh, I didn't tell you the price. So these were $6. They were on sale for $6. They're normally $10. So again, yeah, really good price for, 1,000 yards. Is that about what it was? Yeah, about 1,000 yards between two of them. All right, now let's get into the fun part. Not that any of this other stuff wasn't fun, but the reason why the box was the size the box was. Mystery. Now this is normally, well, it says normally 50, but I've never actually seen it on their site for 50. It's always on sale for 20. Now these were not 40% off with their sale. They were 15% off, which is still good, which means I got this for 17 bucks instead of 20, which I'll take. It says that there's 6 skeins in here. There were a couple like mystery numbers I could choose from. This was mystery number 9 and RH, so I'm guessing Red Heart. And I love a good mystery, so fingers crossed it's oh my gosh, I already love it. Sorry, I just saw the color of one of them. Now, not a super exciting box, but still, you buy a mystery for the mystery, right? This first few, so there is 6 of them. This is Baby Soft Steps, which I don't think I have ever heard of. And this really pretty gray color. Oh, this is soft. Red Heart is not normally soft. This is very soft. It reminds me, it's not quite Caron Simply Soft, but you can see that it does have that shine to it. So it's like a mix of Red Heart and Simply Soft. This is color Elephant. Oh, I love that. I love when they have creative names, not just gray. 256 yards and 234 meters, 5.5 millimeters. So this is a 4-weight, and I have 3 of them. Oh, guys, this is seriously, it is soft. Like I said, it's not simply soft, but it is very, very close because it has that shine and it has that same like silkiness to it. Now the other one, oh, I am a happy girl with this one. I love this color. I really, really love this color. This is Red Heart, since the box is Red Heart. And are you ready? Oh, it's not showing up on the camera. Okay, maybe back here. But up here it's not. It is this deep, oh, boysenberry. Perfect. I wonder if I hold it up to the gray, if the gray will kind of. So it's showing it brighter on the camera. Let me see if I can kind of mess with this. Ah, dang. It's just not going to catch it. But this is just deep, gorgeous, like berry purple. Just a boysenberry is a perfect name for it. This is Red Heart with Love. 370 yards, 338 meters, size 4. Guessing it is, 6.5 millimeter, which is so funny to me because it's not that much thicker. So I don't know why you need to size up a whole. So the gray was saying 5.5. I would say the gray is borderline 3. But like you can tell, like there's not that much of a change from between the two. But the purple is saying 6.5 millimeter, and this is calling for a 5.5. Whatever. Anyway, I adore this color. I think it is gorgeous. In fact, it's very similar to the sweater that I am almost done with. That's probably why I love it. Now, is this my favorite color? No. But it is up there. I'm a jewel tone girly through and through, and this, oh, I love her. I have 3 of those. So honestly, worth it to me. Worth it overall. If you can find these on a good price of like $3.50. So you have 9, 10.5, and same thing with these. You are getting about what you would pay for in the store. A little bit less since I got it on extra sale. So is it a huge, huge savings? No. Would I ever pay the original price of $50? Absolutely never. No, 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 no. But getting it on sale, yes. And I am very pleased with this because sometimes you get yarn that you just don't love. And this time it worked out in my favor. Oh, this is so soft. Love that. This color is so good. Now for Joann. This guy. I ordered 2 things from them because it was like I had free shipping and I'd been eyeing this thing for a little bit. It was a 3-pack sale and you have, of course you don't. Okay, let's go get the prices for that. So I ordered this back on December 29th, PS, for Joann. And these were $10.79 for a 3-pack. They are normally not that price. So I ordered 2 of them because, again, I knew that they would be a really cool blanket. Give it a sec. I should have opened it as I was saying all that, but yeah. I got Ferris wheel. I don't see Ferris wheel very often anymore. But for a 3-pack for $10.79 was amazing. This is Wild Violets. And it's surprisingly soft. This is a 4-weight, 270 yards, 247 meters, 100% acrylic. This is the Lion brand. So, so soft. Really, really love this yarn. I think it's so pretty. And some of the Ferris wheels are definitely not up my alley, but other ones I think are gorgeous. Like this one. Like I love this. So I got 2 packs of 3. So, 6 times 270. Figure that's a good kind of throw blanket. But I love how the yarn just plays in here. How the colors change, I think is super pretty. It's a very muted yarn. Again, super, super soft. And off the top of my head, I cannot remember what the original price of Ferris wheel is, but I will tell you it is not, what is $10.79 divided by 3, like $3.50 each. It is a lot more, but gorgeous, gorgeous yarn. So thanks for joining me on this yarny adventure. Like I said, I have another order that I placed with Joann a week ago. It's actually supposed to arrive any day now. Funny the shipping difference. And I do have a Smiles reward that I probably should use. And I don't know if I really feel like leaving the house and going to the store. So I might just go online and buy something else. See if I can get a free shipping code again and go that route. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed tagging along for this video, and make sure to keep watching this channel for more yarny goodness. And I have a lot of fun things in the works, and I'm so happy you came to join me. Bye.